there'd be monsters?
Yet who knew that the lobby to the underworld would be so...
Dead. Going down.
That's Charon, the ferryman to the underworld. We need to get Hades.
Read the sign. No soliciting, no loitering, no living.
We are totally dead.
Yeah, we drowned in the bathtub.
All three of us.
Big bathtub.
Huge.
Passage across the river Styx isn't free. For adults, they should charge their credit card or add their ferry price to their last cable bill. But children, they never die prepared. Gold drachmas. Y'all are half the ones.
Is that a problem?
Not at all. This way. You know, the ferryman thing is just a day job. My real passion is music. Do you want to hear my demo? Oh, sorry, you do that sick-ass riff. Many of people long over the years, from heroes to athletes and their pitiful tears, thinking that they'll save their loved ones, but we go. Oh no, oh no, oh no! They take their pop down for a quick trip, but it's overpacked. So kids, here's a tip: you ain't getting out. We got you and we ain't letting go. Oh no, oh no! After your DOA and you're here to stay. Yeah, you're stuck forever, never get away. No hope for survival. You're dead. What do you think of my song?
Is that Juice WRLD?
I tried playing it to some music producers once and they told me that the music industry is dead. So I said, so are they. And then I dropped them in the fields of punishment. It's right over there. Oh my god! I never had a party to feel the suspect! Maybe death metal isn't your genre. We have all the greats down here. Mozart, Janis Joplin, Kurt Cobain. You. Who do you feel like listening to?
Do you have any Josh Groban?
We will, eventually. I'm very souls of the newly deceased. I've got a sweet rap. It was newly leased. But if the dead complain, I just turn up the stereo. There's a permanent trap, not a fire trap. Ladies, it's Hades who runs the show. Oh look, it's the Vienna Boys Choir. They crashed their bus and we're to sing for the Vatican.
They're kids.
They're lucky. Their voices will never change now. I toy down because you away and you're here to stay. Yeah, you're stuck forever, never get away. No hope for survival. You're dead. Who has two turntables and three big heads? Everybody give it up for DJ